Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw a rocket from Little Einsteins. Grab your marker and follow along with me. First we'll draw the front window of rocket. So we're going to start here. I'm going to draw like a little smile. We're going to draw a big window. Maybe something like this. And then from there, I'm going to draw right on top. I'm going to try to draw a little antenna on the roof of rocket with a little ball at the end, and then a little foot piece that sits onto the roof. From this side, you're going to draw 2 lines down, and you're going to draw 2 little bolts there. And now we're going to draw the roof. Let's start right up here. We'll draw a nice like roof. And on this side, let's do the same thing. And you're going to connect it to the windscreen like that. On the side, I want to draw the little engines. So there's one. And then we're going to draw a bigger circle next to the roof. And you're going to bring it back, and you're just going to stop there in the middle. Now from here I'm just going to draw a little winglet standing out, and I'm just going to take it back there. There we go, there's one little engine. On this side we're going to draw, let's start with the body first. So I'm going to draw a big, nice, round body going all the way around. And I'm going to do something like that. And then again, you're going to start down here. And we're going to draw another line like this. Make it nice and round, down for the nose. And on this side, we'll do the same thing. Good. You're going to draw some bolts. And then we're going to draw lights. So I'm going to draw 2 ovals here, and I'm going to draw another one there as well. After that, I'm just going to draw the back plate of the lights, and we'll do the same thing on this side as well. There's 2 lights, and now from here we're going to draw an engine. So I'm going to make a nice round line going all the way around, but I'm not going to let it touch. So I'm just going to leave a little place open like that, because right here I want to draw another little winglet, and then we'll draw a big circle and a smaller circle inside, and there's the other engine, and we'll just complete this with a few lines of interest. Here we go. I'm going to make another line here. Maybe we can take the line all the way around, and on this side we can do the same thing. A line down there. And there's a rocket. Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors, and I'm sure a rocket will look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.